Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing both machines and a shared folder. Make sure each device is on the same local network and you know an administrator account. This makes permission changes quick. Enable the appropriate sharing service for your operating system, SMB for Windows and mixed networks, AFP or NFS for some Macs and Unix systems, so devices can see each other. Once done, create or choose a folder to share and set its basic permissions so you can finish configuration in the next step. Now configure the folder for network access and be precise about permissions. Open the folder sharing dialog on your OS, add the user accounts or groups that need access, and assign read or write privileges, giving full control only when necessary reduces risk. Then publish the share. Note the network path or map it as a persistent network drive on client machines, using the exact format required by the OS. Make sure firewall rules allow the chosen protocol so clients can connect without interruption. Finish by connecting from a client and verifying access. On the client, map the network drive or connect with the share path and enter the admin or user credentials you set earlier. Then copy a small test file to confirm read and write behavior. If something fails, check the firewall and that the sharing service is running, confirm credentials and folder ACLs, and ensure guest or network isolation settings on routers are not blocking traffic. One quick tip: restart the sharing service after permission changes to clear cached access rules.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.